Welcome to Study Loop.
19.69. So if we have four identical capacitors, what are all the possible equivalent capacitances we can produce with those? It turns out there are 9, so we'll be here for a little bit. So first off, we can put them all in parallel. This has a value of 4C because they add in parallel. We can put them all in series. And this will have a capacitance of 1/4 C because you have 1/C 4 times is equal to 1/C equivalent, and then you have 4/C, then invert it, and you get C/4. Now we can have series and parallel combinations. So here we have, oh, wait. This is in series with a fourth one. So here we have 1/C equivalent. These three form an equivalent capacitor with a capacitance of 3C. One over 3C plus 1/C. And so this gives us 3C/4. We can have 2 in parallel in series with the remaining 2 in parallel. Now, each of the parallel combinations will have a capacitance of C, so we'd have 2 C's in series with each other. I'm sorry, two C's in series with each other. And since if you have 2 identical capacitors in series, the equivalent capacitance is 1/2 that. And this works out to just be C, because you have 2C divided by 2. We can put 2 in parallel, and then put the remaining 2 in series with those. So here we have, this is 2C. And then we have 2 more C's in series. So this gives us an equivalent capacitance of 2/5 C. Now we can have a parallel combination of 2 capacitors in series here. Similar to this one, we get C, because here we have C/2 in parallel with C/2, and so that's just C, which is not a new value. So this isn't going to count if we were wanting to number how many we have. This is redundant with this one. So we can put 3 in series in parallel with the other capacitor. This is 1/3 C plus C. So it's 4/3 C. We can have 2 in parallel with the other 2 in series. So this gives us 2C, because they add in parallel, and then they'll add to C over 2, which we get here. This is 5/2 C. We can do 1 in parallel with 2 in series, all of which is in series with the remaining one. So we have C plus C over 2, so 3/2 C. And we have another C here, so we have 1 over C plus 2 over 3C. We want 1 over that to give us the capacitance. This gives us 3/5 C. And our final one is we can have 2 in parallel in series with 1, and then that is all in parallel with the remaining one. So we have 1 over C plus 1 over 2C is this part up here to the -1 plus C and so this gives us 5/3 C.